my name is Lisette and I am so happy that you're here with me. I am back creating long form content because I missed it so much. So I attended Michelle Phan's
Welcome to summer school.
and I received a box and I cannot wait to unbox it with you guys. Here is the box. It is still taped, so we're going to unbox it together. My heart is so happy right now. Welcome to summer school. I know what this is because Michelle had mentioned that she would give the first 500 students a candle. So here it is. Let's see it. I can't wait to smell it. Look how beautiful this is. The packaging is gold. This is basically how the background of the school looks like. This was an online class. It was virtual, but I was actually able to talk to Michelle Phan. We all got to know her better. It felt so personal and so comforting. Wow, the scent. Just by opening the box, I can already smell it. Wow. Here it is. Look how beautiful this candle is. Oh wow. Wow. Okay, now of course I have to smell it. Smells delicious. The scent is so magical. If I could, I would definitely purchase this again and again and again. This scent just feels so nostalgic to me. Like I feel like I'm being hugged. It's so beautiful and fresh. It's just right. There's one more item in the box and this is gonna be a memorabilia for me. Look how beautiful this book is. We went through so many different chapters here and the graphics, everything is just so beautiful, and to me it just spoke to my heart. This is basically your summer school book, and inside it has all the lessons that we all learned together, and I cannot wait for summer school 2.0. This was so magical. The experience was amazing. I was able to talk to Michelle Phan and ask her questions, and she's so knowledgeable. So to me, this was worth it to attend summer school also. And I knew that she was starting summer school. I of course immediately had to jump in and attend the course because I've known Michelle Phan for so many years. She's the OG YouTube queen and I just feel so nostalgic, and also she helped me get back up during one of my most difficult times in life where I just felt so sad, ugly, alone. I was so alone. I had lost my confidence. But watching her videos on YouTube, she made me feel so beautiful and special, and yeah, I am thankful to her for that. Thank you so much, Michelle Phan. And also another beautiful thing about summer school is that I got to meet so many amazing creators and really special people that I can actually feel like they're my friends too, and we share so many things together, we learn together, and it's just such a beautiful experience all together. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. And please subscribe. I will be back with more long form content videos. Create amazing.